It's April 2026, and the rumors that have been simmering in the supply chains of Shenzhen and the labs of Cupertino have finally reached a boiling point. If you've been holding off on buying a new iPad, a new Mac, or even a streaming box, your patience is about to be rewarded, or, depending on your bank account, severely tested. Apple isn't just launching products this spring. They are fundamentally rewriting the rules of their ecosystem. We are standing on the edge of the M5 era, the full-scale rollout of Apple Intelligence, and a hardware lineup that feels more like a rebirth than a refresh. Forget what you know about the spring event being a minor affair. This year, Apple is going for the throat. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Let's start with the ghost in the room, the iPad Mini 8. For years, we thought the Mini was on life support. But the April 2026 leaks suggest Apple has performed a miracle. We aren't just looking at a spec bump, we are looking at the proification of the smallest iPad. The biggest headline, the OLED transition. After the success of the tandem OLED in the Pro models, Apple is reportedly bringing that same deep black, high-contrast technology to the 8.3-inch canvas. But it's the silicon that's the real shocker. While everyone expected an A-series chip, there are whispers of a binned M5 chip finding its way into the Mini. Imagine the power of a MacBook Pro in a device you can hold with one hand. This isn't just a tablet anymore. It's a localized AI powerhouse designed for the age of Apple Intelligence. Speaking of AI, the iPad 12th generation is the device that will bring the future to the masses. The entry-level iPad has been stuck in the past, but the 12th gen is rumored to be the great equalizer. With the A18 chip and a jump to 8 GB of RAM, this will be the first budget iPad to fully support the suite of Apple Intelligence features. From real-time writing tools to advanced image generation, the iPad 12 is Apple's way of saying that AI isn't just for the rich. They're redesigning the thermal architecture to handle the sustained loads of large language models, making this the most capable student device ever built. But the real drama is happening in the living room. The Apple TV 4K has been the same black box for years, but the April 2026 refresh is a radical pivot. Apple is reportedly dropping the A15 for the A17 Pro, the same monster chip from the iPhone 15 Pro. Why? Because the Apple TV is no longer just a streaming box. It is becoming the Matter Hub for the entire world. With a new N1 networking chip, it will support Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6, ensuring that your smart home is faster and more reliable than your actual Wi-Fi. But here's the kicker: gaming. With hardware-accelerated ray tracing, Apple is making a serious play for your living room console space. They want you to play AAA titles natively on your TV, effectively turning the Apple TV into a stealth console. And for the professionals who have been screaming for a 32-inch all-in-one, the wait is almost over. The iMac Pro 2026 is the monster we've been promised. Featuring the M5 Pro and M5 Max chips, this machine is a direct assault on the high-end workstation market. It's not just about the power, it's about the 6K XDR display that is rumored to be floating on a new, ultra-thin titanium stand. This is Apple's love letter to the creative industry, the photographers, the 3D animators, and the developers who need everything in one cord. The M5 Max in this machine is rumored to process LLM prompts 4 times faster than the M4 Max. This isn't just a computer. It's an AI collaborator. But what is the common thread in all of this? It's the N1 chip. This is Apple's secret weapon for 2026. Almost every device launching this April is rumored to include this new networking silicon. It's not just about speed, it's about ecosystem synergy. It allows your iPad, your Mac, and your Apple TV to talk to each other with near-zero latency. Imagine using your iPad Mini 8 as a haptic controller for a game running on your Apple TV, or using your iPhone as a localized AI processor for your iMac. The walls between devices are coming down. We all